Okay, it's getting dark around here. I just put some gas in it. Let's turn that off for now. It's not pouring out the bottom, so that's a good sign. Yeah, it's always a good sign. Okay, I'm going to find out if this thing has any spark in it. So lights are on. Yeah. Push these pressure releases down. The spark plugs are right here. I'm going to try to see if we can see any kind of a spark out of these plugs at all. They're really dirty, so I'm not expecting a lot, but a little bit would be nice. Turn the light off. Let's see if the starter button even works. Where's that one at? Okay, I don't know if you can see that. There's the oil light. It's weird that it goes on and off. This bike hasn't run in a long time, so at least not that I know of anyway. So we're looking for any kind of a movement in oil flow down there. So if we see any dirty oil down there that's moving, that's what we're looking for. Return of the system. Don't see any oil lights on too. That's weird. It's got oil in it, so it should be doing something. Alright, well, it is what it is. Hey, let's stop it from running. Okay, let's go turn the petcock back on. The lights are definitely all on. Oh, the tail lights are on. The headlights are off. Oh, it's different. Why is the headlight off? Oh, he's got a blown bulb. That's why the headlight's off. Okay, well, that's new. Good, I'll have to tape it up now. You got a blown bulb, makes it easy to do. Okay, the fuel is on. Let's see if we get the starter pump to do something. Oh, look at that. We have juice in the squirter. Not quite squirting freely though. Big squirt that way, a little squirt this way. Instead of being two equal squirts. Alright, so we got, it's all primed. Choke is on. Okay, we're going to light it off, see if we get oil pressure, see if we got light going, oil down on that. So I need to get these tools out of here. So let's go back on. Oh, we got to put plugs in it yet too. Turn the ignition off, dumbass. We're doing a new battery test. That's what we were doing there. It won't run without spark plugs in it. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Could be wrong. I tend to go plug get tight now, so it's close. I don't know why they locked out of that. I'm not putting any oil in the oil tank because there's probably a whole bunch in the lower end, so I don't want to put anything in the tank. It'll find its way out if you do. Tight. Oh, we're in gear right now too. The rear wheel turning? I didn't notice. It should have been. We're neutral now. Okay, plugs are all out. Good. Oh, we got an oil leak already. Oh, it's gushing oil out of it. Ooh, where's that all coming from? We appear to have a Valdez oil leak going on right here, see? That is not a good sign. I already got a mess. I didn't even start the bike yet. And that means there's oil in it. Means it's a big mess too. Wonderful. They make these exorbitant pads for us here. So, I wonder where all that oil is coming from. Return line not connected or broken or what? Just know that we have a big leak. Big leak. First we just clean up our tools. We have a big gusher going over there. So it's filling up my truck all full of oil over here. Nice thing to have going on. Exciting part of starting a bike. Big gushers. This thing's full of oil, so it's going to drain for a while. Oh yeah, it's draining all over the place right now. Alright, well, there you go. Didn't lubricate the chain because the chain's all rusty. The oil tank appears to be dry. Yes, it's not coming out of the oil tank. That's good. So wherever that breather is that it's peeking out of, it's coming out of that, that's for damn sure. Alright. Alright, we're going to go ahead and catch the oil, just trying to evacuate the premises here. Appears my lift is leaking oil too. Oh yeah. Well, at least my bed will be well lubricated, it won't rust. Nothing worse than having a rusty bed in your truck, right? And it's going back to that tire too, which is not a good spot for it. I don't want on the tire, damn it. Okay, that's all right. We'll just keep mopping this up. Mop, mop, mop. Yeah, these absorbent pads work pretty good, but there is a limit to how much oil they want to pick up. Oh well, it's a mess. Oh, look at that, it looks oily. I like oily too. Alright, we'll be back. I'm going to keep cleaning this up.